Okay, lady just asked me if these are hot water only. I'm not sure, but it says hot water only works on deluxe, ultra, and ultra setting. All these over here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They all say that. Her question to me was, do they only do hot water only? I guess those particular ones do, according to the sign, right? I just clean here part-time, so I don't know. I haven't been using the actual facilities, y'all. I'm just cleaning a little bit. That's what I get paid to do. Light duty cleanup. Light duty cleanup. That's what I get paid to do, and that's really all I want to do. You know what I mean? That's enough for me. Uh-oh. I got it. Thank you. Like I said, that's all I really want to do here. 'Cause for one thing, y'all, I have so much other stuff going on right now. So many fires that I'm working hard to put out, you know. With the dolly, the container out there in Center Point, trying to get that all cleaned up, you know. There's my little Susie. You out there waiting for me in the back of the this here. It's not too bad at all. Not too bad at all. Seniorific News celebrating National Volunteer Month. April is National Volunteer Month. I sure will grab me one of those on the way up out of here. So I checked the bathrooms. Not bad at all, but I will wipe the truck. I'll get some wipes for that commode and stuff. I already got the trash emptied out of here. So anyway, quick and easy. This Sunday, not super busy unless people come before closing. So and they might pile up in here. We close at like 9, so I won't be coming back though once I'm out of here. I got one more to do. That's the small one near the apartments where I live, in the HUD apartments. And so I'll be doing that one when I leave here on the way home. I'll be back. Thank y'all for watching again, over and out. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Blessings. See you next time. Adios for now, over and out. I'll be back, God willing.